Hello, third grade. Today we're going to continue talking about musical instruments. We are going to do pages 18 and 19 in the workbook. So please open your book to these pages. Okay, so exercise number 1, count and write sentences. Use there is and there are. Okay, so let's refresh our mind first and remember, when do we use there is and when do we use there are? Okay, so we use there is for singular, okay, for one thing, but we use there are for plural. Excellent. So if we have one thing, we're going to use there is. If we have two or more things, we are going to use there are. Okay, miss? So I want you to look at this picture and tell me, what can you see? Excellent. We have recorders, triangles, drums, guitars. Excellent. What else? Pianos. Excellent. What else? And flute. Excellent. Bravo. So we are going to count and write. Okay. Sentence number 1 is already answered. There are 6 recorders. There are 6 records. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 recorders. Now we're going to count the flute. Okay, so we just have 1 flute. Okay, so we're going to say there is or there are. There is. Excellent, because we have 1 flute. So there is 1 flute. Excellent. Now we're going to count the triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many triangles? There are, because there are 5. There are 5 triangles. Excellent. Now we're going to count the guitars. Okay, so how many guitars do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 guitars. We have 7 guitars. There are 7 guitars. طيب, how many pianos do we have? How many pianos do we have? Excellent. There are 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we have, there are 3 pianos. And how many drums do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 drums. So there are 11 drums. Okay, miss? So here are the answers. There is 1 flute. There are 5 triangles. There are 3 pianos. There are 7 guitars. And there are 11 drums. Okay, now we're going to move to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. طيب, look at the activity 1. Correct the sentences. Number 1, there are 12 wind instruments. Is this sentence is correct? No, we don't have 12 instruments. How many wind instruments do we have? Okay, so let's go back here. We have 1 flute. The flute is wind instrument. And there are 6 recorders. The recorders are wind instruments. So 6 and 1, they are 7 instruments. So we are going to cross out 12 and write 7. We have 7 wind instruments. But number 2, there are 9 stringed instruments. So the stringed instruments are pianos and guitars, right? So we have 3 and 7. 3 plus 7. Excellent, 10. So there are 10 stringed instruments. We are going to cross out 9 and write 10. Okay, number 3, there are 21 percussion instruments. So let's go back here. The percussion instruments are drums and the triangles. Here we have 5 and here we have 11. 11 plus 5 equals 16. Excellent. So we're going to cross out the 21 and write 16. Now we're going to move to page 19. Look and write the words. So we have trombone. Where is the trombone? Excellent. Here, number 9 is a trombone. Flute. Excellent. Number 4, flute. Cello. Excellent. Bravo. So here we have number 2 is cello. Drum. Where's the drum? Excellent. Number 3, recorder. This is a recorder. Number 7, bravo. And guitar. Number 5 is guitar. Excellent. Piano. Here's the piano. Excellent. Number 6, castanets. It is already answered. Number 1. And the last one is triangle. Number 8. Okay. Exercise number 2, look at activity number 1 and write instruments in the families. We're going to classify the instruments. We have wind instruments, percussion, and stringed. Okay, so the wind instruments are flute, recorder, trombone that we have here. Which instruments are wind instrument? Flute, recorder, and trombone. So, okay, which instruments are percussion instruments? Excellent. Drum, triangle, and castanets. Bravo. And the last one is which musical instruments are stringed instruments? They are cello, guitar, and piano. Cello, guitar, and a piano. Okay? We are done. Thank you.